Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. Hope you're having a good morning. Today we're going to be unboxing this, the Ford Focus WRC 2000 Monte Carlo Rally in 1/24 scale by Hasegawa. This one has the night stage light parts included as well, and we'll have a look on the outside. So you can see their full photo image. This is the Carlos Sainz and Moya car. You can just about pick out their names on the side here. Some information on the sides in a multitude of languages. CR29. More information here. On this side there's a picture of the car with the lights on. That's McRae and Grist's car. There we are. Yeah, also official licensed product from the Ford Motor Company. Right, well, we'll open it up and you'll see what's inside. Here we've got the instructions. I think the decals are in there too. Photo etch, clear parts in there, some white parts, more clear parts, and lots of white sprues. Bodywork, so that would have been on the decals, and there we've got some tyre decals as well. So if we start by looking at the instructions, teams in the World Rally Championship are increasing annually, or at least they used to be, and the 2000 season has featured intense competition between no less than 6 works teams. In the wake of Toyota's dropping out of the WRC after the 1999 season, world-class drivers Carlos Sainz and Didier Auriol were left free to join other teams. Auriol moved to Seat, and Sainz has teamed up with Colin McRae at Ford. 2000 has seen many improvements, machine design and layout, including an overhaul of engine air intake systems, front bumper shape changes, side installations of air intake ducts, and smaller rear spoilers, among others. In the season's opening race, held at Monte Carlo in the beautiful Alps of southern France, from January the 20th to the 23rd, Sainz and McRae both suffered numerous mechanical problems from the start. However, on the second leg, 4 machines from other teams suffered engine startup failure due to low air temperatures, forcing them to retire. This turned out to be a stroke of luck for Ford, as Sainz was able to move up to second place, and McRae also made a corresponding leap on the leaders board. On the third leg, Sainz and McRae both came out swinging as they battled for the lead position. But engine trouble on the 14th special stage forced McRae out of the race, and Sainz crossed the finish line second place. The new Ford Focus machine has lived up to expectations with its high potential, and certainly more great things are expected from the Focus in the future. Of course, the Focus was first released in 1998 as a replacement for the Escort, so it was still a very new machine at the time. Currently, Ford are taking part in the World Rally Championship, although it's the Fiesta these days which they use. Right, if we open it up, you can see that this is a standard multi-page opening here. Got instructions here about the interior, the seats. This also comes with material for seat belts. It gives you the measurements, which is a really nice feature. Car number 6, Carlos Sainz. Number 5, Colin McRae. There are more interior details there. Details for the windows. This comes with a window mask, which is a really nice feature. Suspension. This is curbside kit, but it's still got quite a lot of detail on the interior and the undercarriage. You can see there, more undercarriage details, photo etch parts, which is nice. I can see how to put on the night stage lights. I might use some little magnets with those. So the tyres, and there are the paintings and markings here. It's got seat number 1 here for Carlos Sainz, number 2 for Colin McRae. I think I'll make this as a Colin McRae car because I grew up as a big fan of his, playing his video games. Had Colin McRae 2, which had this car on the front of the box. There are more instructions there. There you are, marking instructions. Now this comes with the Ford decal in place of the Martini logo because alcohol sponsorship was banned in France at the time. There's more information there on the back. You could of course get aftermarket decals to add in the Martini logos should you want to. Yeah, here's the bodywork. So the door handles are moulded in here. See the place there for the wing mirror. Place on the other side as well. Moulded in lights. You can also see the place where the badge needs to go on the grille. My grandparents had a 2005 Focus in this body style, although theirs was 5-door. It's got little pinholes there for where the boot clips go. Photo etch parts here, lots of seatbelt buckles. There's also 2 different style of mesh for the grille. I believe that it's the larger one that's used on this. Also photo etch mirrors, which is a nice little feature. I think this is the bumper style used in this one here. Some more sort of, you know, it's a front lip. Hasegawa tend to re-release their kits multiple times. These I think are the lenses for the night stage lights. Seat belts and aerials material, which is nice. The door cards have got the roll cage moulded into it, which is a bit irritating. It might be a pain to mask. Also the spare tyre is moulded plastic, which is also a bit of a shame when so many kits now give you a spare full wheel. Got one part here that's fallen off the sprue. Not sure what that is. Here we've got the clear parts. They're nice and clear. There's not there's a little bit of a line where the window masks need to go. Rear window is separate. The side indicators. The lights have got little markings on them, which is nice. Yep, so I'm hoping that these hold up nicely. If not, I might use them as like a template on another sheet of tape maybe, because yeah, this kit is like 20 years old. Some brakes on here. Interesting that we've got 3, so I guess they're different styles for different versions of the car. Suspension, 1 wiper, because I guess you have 2 of these. There's another one, and this one is also attached to this. Got multiple parts here for parts of the undercarriage and so forth. Now this has got a different bumper style, but yeah, night stage lights here. Those look pretty nice. Now the wheels here, I don't know whether these are made of different kind of plastic because they've gone slightly yellow. But yeah, got 2 there. 4 bits of the roll cage, the fire extinguisher there, handbrake, steering wheel, rear view mirror, bits of the interior. I like how Hasegawa do this with the seats. They just give you 2 of them like this. And they've got little holes for the belts, which is a nice addition. There's the dashboard, left-hand drive. I think these are skid plates. Undercarriage has got some moulded detail like the exhaust, and also parts of the kind of suspension here. Yeah. We've got the tyres and polycap. Small tyres, quite low profile. I guess these are sort of the for the tarmac stages. Tyre decals. So you've got 2 versions here. You've got just a simple blank Michelin ones, and then these more kind of sophisticated Michelin ones with pilot logos as well. I guess you've got the choice there. Full decal sheet. This seems to have held up very well. Looks very nice, very crisp and clear there. Really, really like the Martini livery, so I'm looking forward to making this. So there we are. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to building this fairly soon. Thanks a lot. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.